Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your favorite channel, where we help you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown between two heavyweights in the CPU world, the AMD Ryzen 95900X and the Intel Core i5-124000F. Buckle up because it's about to get real spicy in here. First up, let's talk about the moolah, the cheddar, the cold hard cash. The Ryzen 95900X is priced at a whopping $569. I mean, at that price, it better come with a personal chef and a foot massage, right? On the other hand, the Intel Core i5-124000F is a mere $206. That's like 3 trips to Starbucks these days. If you're on a budget and still want to game, Intel's your guy. Now let's talk performance. The Ryzen 95900X is like that overachiever in high school, 12 cores and 24 threads, delivering elite 100+ FPS in the world's most popular games. It's basically the Michael Jordan of processors. Reviewers have noted significant performance improvements, especially in tasks like compiling code and running virtual machines. The Intel Core i5-124000F, with its 6 cores, is more like the kid who shows up to gym class in jeans. Sure, it can play, but it's not breaking any records. However, it consistently maintains usage below 60% when playing games at 1440p or higher, making it a solid choice for budget gamers. Cooling. The Ryzen 95900X is so hot, it doesn't come with a cooler. That's right, folks. You're gonna need a high-performance cooler and possibly a fire extinguisher. Max temperature: 90 degrees Celsius. Yikes! Reviewers have noted the need for adjustments to the CPU cooler for optimal performance. The Intel Core i5-124000F, on the other hand, is like a cool breeze. With just 65W processor base power, it's chillin' like a villain. Although some reviewers mentioned thermal concerns with the stock cooler, adding thermal paste or an aftermarket cooler effectively manages the temperatures. Overclocking. The Ryzen 95900X is unlocked and ready to party. 4.8 GHz max boost, 70 MB of cache, and DDR3.200 support. This thing is like the Fast and the Furious of CPUs. The Intel Core i5-124000F? Not so much. It's like that reliable old car that gets you from point A to B. No frills, no spills, just gets the job done. However, reviewers appreciate its solid performance for mid-tier gaming without the need for extra E-cores. Reviewers generally agree that the AMD Ryzen 95900X is a performance powerhouse, ideal for users looking for top-tier computing capabilities, especially in gaming and multitasking. However, it does require a good cooling solution. On the flip side, the Intel Core i5-124000F is praised for its affordability and solid performance in gaming, though it may benefit from an aftermarket cooler for optimal thermal management. So there you have it, folks. If you want the ultimate gaming and overclocking experience and have money to burn, go for the Ryzen 95900X. But if you're on a budget and still want decent performance, the Intel Core i5-124000F is your best bet. Let us know in the comments which one you're picking up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.